Hacker7 here. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on the Little Dark Ages edit in CapCut. So this is basically a trend in which you could showcase the darkest elements to anything that happened in history or in a movie or anything like that. And here on my timeline, I have two different edits. Now these are from TikTok. I got these from TikTok. I did not edit them. So one is 51 seconds and the other is just 26 seconds. Now the second one is just the short form of the audio. The 55 seconds is the long audio. So what you'd be required to do is to load your images onto your timeline. So I've already downloaded images, so I could create a new project and load all the images onto my timeline. Now I did not download many images because this is just a short demonstration of this trend, and due to the nature of these images, YouTube might age restrict the video or anything like that. So these are the images, and this is the dark age for battles, Christianity, and all of that. So I just got some random images off the internet. So let's add the audio, and to add the audio, just click on add audio, extracted, and we're going to extract the audio from the 26-second clip, import sound, and that's basically it. So once we have the audio imported, we could actually click on the audio and match the cut, so we could get some auto-generated beats to see where the images might fall. Now as you can see, this has a lot of beat. Now these beats are the points on the timeline which you would need your images to match. Now I'm not going to generally match the images with all of these. I'm just going to showcase a simple, well, I'm just going to move these down a bit, and for each of these images you could add transitions in between. Now as I've said, this is just a brief demonstration. This is not a full tutorial on this. This is just to showcase so you could get familiar with what should be done. Now this is quite easy to match the images with the audio. So you simply need to drag until it snaps in place. So simply do that until the images snap. And you need quite a lot of images in order to do this, because there is a fast point in this audio where you'll be required to add multiple images. So keep that in mind. As you can see, we have a lot more beat to add, but I won't necessarily go through those. This is just, as I've said, a demonstration. So after you've added all the images to the timeline to match the beats, what you could do next is to add animations in between or transitions in between. You could add motion graphics. You could add glitch camera. My personal favorite is the camera pull out. Yes, so that would lead to the next one, and then you'd simply add camera pull out, and you could apply it to all the transitions between all the clips. So when it goes through, it would just simply do like that. And now what I'd recommend you to do is to stretch the images to fit the width of the screen, the aspect ratio. So you could do that. You could also get better quality images, higher quality images, and just whatever floats your boat. Now as I've said, this is just a brief demonstration. This is not a full tutorial, so I'm just moving as fast as possible to just get something shown to you. Okay, good. Okay, so after you've added all your images, what you could do lastly is to simply add a filter. You could add a VHS filter, which would give a kind of old look to this. So you could go into retro, VHS 1, VHS 2, VHS 3, whichever one you like, and just extend this to the entire duration of the audio. Now seeing that we don't have any video footage there, this would just stop right there. And that is basically how you'd go about creating your dark age video, Little Dark Age rather. So if you wanted to hop onto this trend, this is a short tutorial on how you do it. You'd need to find images from all over the world depending on which event you're doing your video on, or which video, or exactly which location in time. So that is it, guys. If you need any clarifications, please let me know in the comments. I'll gladly provide you with clarifications. I could also link the audio in the description, the long form of the audio and the short form of the audio. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Hacker7 out.